Assalamu alaikum, greetings of peace. Farina Siddiqui with another simple short message, and it's about water bottles. It's very important that we actually take the responsibility and take the ownership of our responsibility towards the earth. We use those water bottles, fine, sometimes, but not all the time. We are not supposed to use those water bottles, and we need to encourage everybody to bring a reusable water bottle to all of our events, to our meetings, and all that. Plus, we also have a responsibility that if and when we are using those water bottles, we take the responsibility to actually finish every single drop of water and then put the bottle in the recycle bin. Every person who actually attends an event leaves their water bottle either half fill or quarter or something, and then the host or the person who is taking care of that event premises has to go an extra mile to actually know what water to drop in the sink and what water to conserve. So it's very important that if you are taking a water bottle, especially as a person who believes in goodness, you need to take the ownership. You need to either take your water bottle with you and discard it in a recycle bin, or ensure that you finish everything and discard it at the event place. Do not create more work for the people who are actually conducting an event for you. Do not create that extra work for masajid, for institutions, for libraries, for other community centers that you are attending in events at. Because trust me, it causes so much frustration and so much work for people who are organizers of the event. And I'm sure the people who organize these events do understand what I'm talking about. Even at my center, I go through this every single time we have an event. I have to collect those water bottles with my volunteers. I have to throw away the water, feeling really bad inside. Every single drop of water is an emana from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and if you waste it, this is a crime, an ethical, a religious crime, right? So you need to take care of that. You need to actually understand that it's our responsibility and take the ownership of your responsibility as a human being, as a Muslim, as a person who actually believes in not creating mess for other people. Clean your own mess and be environmentally friendly whenever and however way you can. Thank you. Keep listening, keep writing to me, and I absolutely love your comments. So keep commenting on my videos and keep sending me the topics that you want me to talk about. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Greetings of peace.